We're going to look at how a teacher might be able to especially interact with students with regard to representation. In this slide, CAST has shown representation as a brain with a purple portion, and again, this refers to the what of learning. And so we're taking a look at how information is represented, or how it's presented, and how content can be presented in various ways. So in order to aid in perception, we want to be able to offer different ways to display the information. So it could be by sound, it could be by touch, it could be by sight, it could be multiple ways. And so in order to reach the most number of students, we want to be able to vary the different ways that they're going to receive that information. Another thing would be language, expression, and symbols. So we know that our language can be difficult for students, and we're working with students who may be non-native English speakers. So it's important to be able to clarify the vocabulary, the symbols that they see. Think not just about English, but science, math. The number of symbols that they see in an average day, they may be signs that they see. We want to clarify the syntax and the structure of sentences so that they are able to not only understand, but they'll be able to assimilate this into when they are speaking. And also support them in decoding text and symbols, mathematical notation, musical notation. Any of these kinds of things are symbols that we don't necessarily realize are symbols. And also be able to promote some understanding in various languages. And again, we have students from many different cultures and with different degrees of proficiency in speaking and understanding English verbally as well as by sight. And one of the ways to be able to do this for teachers is to incorporate multimedia. This way we're able to present things so that we're touching on many different senses at the same time. So we want to aid the students in comprehension. We can do that by supplying or activating any prior background knowledge that they might have about a topic. Also highlighting patterns that they see so that it's easier for them to comprehend, for them to anticipate, and guide them to process information and maximize the transfer that they have.